Nate here with just the tech tips. Today we're going to show you 3 ways to fish wires through your wall. Let's go fishing. First one here is the Klein Tools wide steel 25-foot fish tape. Option 2 is a magnetic wire puller. And then the third option, something that everyone has at home, an old clothes hanger. So we've got our holes pre-drilled here for the Echogear in-wall power soundbar and cable management kit. And we're gonna do a little demonstration using the Klein Tools wide steel fish tape. So we'll start from the bottom, use this tool here to go up through the wall. Pull it out like this, and then we'll attach our wire to the end here with some electrical tape and fish it back through the wall. So once we have our cable secured here with the tape, we just reel this bad boy in. Wow, what a catch. This demonstration is shorter than average, depending who you're asking, but you can use this tool for up to 25 feet worth of fishing. Next up, we have the Zezzo Wiremag Puller. Comes with a little instruction manual. And we open up the box here. We've got 2 different magnets that go in the wall. So we've got this smaller one here, in case you got a teeny little hole. If you got a big old hole, you can use this larger magnet. You would attach one of those magnets to the end of this rope here. It screws into the end. And then on the outside of the wall, you got this larger one that you would hold in your hand to guide the magnet down the wall. First, we'll pull out the string here to the length that we need to get through the wall. And then we'll attach this threaded piece to the back end of the magnet here. That's going to be going behind the drywall. All right, so we'll take the magnet, stick it behind the wall here, and then take our guide magnet and just bring it down the drywall. In this scenario, we have another hole that we want to avoid, which is great for this product because you can bring the magnet wherever you need it to go. So we'll take it all the way down to the bottom hole that we want our wire to come through. There you have it. So now we can just detach the magnet here from the thread. We'll take our cord that we're going to be running up through the wall and attach it to this with some electrical tape, and then we'll just reel it back up through the wall. There you go. For our last tool, something that everyone has at home, an old clothes hanger, we're going to take this and straighten it out with the pliers and just send it up through the wall from the bottom hole to the top hole, and then we'll attach our wire to the end and pull it back through. All right, so you can go from either side here. If you're a top, start up here. If you're bottom, you can start from this hole. We're going to go from the bottom for demonstration purposes. No way. Worked, first try. Got a little bit of insulation there, but worked like a charm. Cost me $0 and our wires fished through the wall. Now that we've got 3 effective ways to fish wires through the wall, we're gonna get back to installing our Echogear in-wall soundbar power and cable management kit. And that's why they say any day spent fishing is better than a day at the office. It's been real. Wow, what a fantastic setup. That's why they call it fishing and not catching. Now you can consider yourself off the hook from having to call an electrician.
Friggin' knee slapper.
That was good.